Go, Siko! Brennan, yung line natin, yung line. Up ka na konti, Bren. Angat ka na konti, Bren. Compact first, Sochi. Compact first, defense. Good one, C. Overlap. Tara, Zico. Agaw na, Sochi. Agaw na. Good one. Attack, attack. Tara, Carlos. Other side, Carlos. Yes, the other side. Al. Nesta! Nesta! Carlos! Tara, down, down. Okay lang, okay lang. Nesta, harap sa bola, Nesta. Luis, kaya kami. Pagka-goal kick.
It's not the fourth and not the fourth the first time. Shoot that lad! Maybe they have 11
Tara, Brennan! Wide, wide, Zico! Zico, Zico! Drop, drop! Good try, good try! Sochi, Sochi! Ask for the ball! Hingi ka, hingi ka, hingi ka. You can ask. You can ask, Soch. Sochi! Sochi! You can play short. You can play short. Cover, Brennan, cover! Pasa. Ah! Shit! Almost. Good try, good pass, Carlos! Rep! Orange team kami! Orange yung kasi.
Every aspired like, wow. Nice pass.
Yeah, okay na yan, sir.
Oh my god.
Hingi, Sochi! Cross! Drop! Brennan, cover! Ay, nanonood tayo dyan! Stay cover. No commit. 1-2, go. Ryan. Nesta. Sa harap. Brennan, up ng konti. Nice one! Andre! Check mo si Brennan, dapat nakataas na sa'yo. Compact! Press Zico! Drop, Bren, drop! Cover! Good cover, Brad. Wide, pare. Turn! Zico, wide there, Zico. Bigay. Zico, wide! Sochi, drop Sochi! Kalma! Wide, Sochi! Wide! Turn! Drop! Brennan, drop, Brennan! Good one, Soch! Hey, cover muna, Zico! Sochi, behind you! Keep asking. Try 1-2. Tell Nesta. Get one, Zico. Up! Sochi, up! Manon! Jared, sa Brinsico, ha? And wait lang. Water break. Rowan, sub Sochi. Tyler, sub Brennan, ha? Water break. Pico, out na. Sub kay Jared. Sub na kayo, ha?
Coach. Coach, ano yun pa?
Sub mo lang. Rest. Saan ka kamusta? Good? Sub mo muna. Sub mo muna, saan ka? Luis! Pasok na si Ryan. Kaya pa? Papak na. Okay, mag-pitch kayo niya, no? Sino yung pinapalit sa kaya, no? No. Okay, kay Rohan. Go, left ka, Tyler. No, si Jared ng right way. Okay? Sige, Tyler, press ka muna. Mamaya na mag-isa. Sige, pasok. Mamaya, pag-stop tayo. Check kung sino hindi nag-run. No. Same position. Tara. Sige, si Jared ang striker. Oo, right wing.
Kaya ni Jason.
Good. Nice one! Ganun lang, Carlos! Nesta, press tayo, Nesta, ha? Oh, wala nang keeper. Jared! Press! High press! Jeno! Drop, Jeno! Drop! Defender, compact! Carlos, middle, Carlos! Compact, Carlos, middle! Goal side! Hingi, Tyler! Manon! Turn! Jared! Hindi. Nesta! Luis, pasok! Bilis! Go. Ano sabi nun? Ano sinabi mo sa kanya? Ano sinabi mo sa referee? Mamaya nilulukay ko pa yun. Tara, Rayan! Good one, Andre! Wide, Luis! Wide! Carlos! Good try!
Coach, stay up.
Kalma. We have last 5 minutes na lang. Kay Luis na yun, okay? Give to Luis na. Drop!
Just a
Third!
quick schedule update. On field 1, we are having the third match.
Good one, Luis!
of the group.
Support!
G8 Academy Gold versus Orion Athletics Academy. On field 2, we have A17 United FC playing Aspire Football Academy. These games will be followed by Ascos Development Academy versus Forza 2 on field 1. And Forza 1 versus G8 Academy Black on field 2. For 9-a-side, at the moment we have Forza playing Aspire.
Go Luis! Go Luis! Go Luis! Press Luis! Good one, Jared! Good one, Jared! 1-2, 1-2.
The next 9-a-side game will be Ascos Development Academy versus G8 Academy.
No commit, no commit. Good one. Attack. Attack! Attack, Luis! Manon! Press, Jared! Last 4 minutes na. Rest na lang. Mamaya malakas yung kalaban natin. Sobel.
What? We got the ball.
Carlos! Carlos, yung middle natin. Nandyan na si Sian.
Just a reminder to the teams and coaches, only water is allowed on the turf. Coach Hans might come down here from the deck and ask you to leave the pitch, so please comply with the Ayala Vermosa guidelines. Thank you.
Drop die, Tyler. Cover, Tyler. Good one! Yes, tara! Ah! Good try, good pass! Drop, Andre, drop Andre, no offside dyan, drop ka. Other side. Hey Carlos, use Rayan, Carlos. Hey, Jared. Support, Tyler. Overlap, Tyler. Good one. Ah.
Later, can you put Tyler as attacker? Please, coach.
He can attack naman eh.
Yeah, he's attacker.
Yeah.
Can you let him later?
Sure.
Like winger. Can you let him?
Sure.
Shoot. Nice.
Come on Rayan, score ka Rayan.
Bang!
Ah! Wala pa rin. Good one, Luis.
Oh, na Luis.
Hey!
Oh, he
Drop!
broke his legs. He broke his legs. He actually broke his legs.
No, last thing yan. Kalma. May next game pa tayo. Sige. Yeah.
What if he can't play? Hindi ako.
Mamaya ulit. Relax ka lang.
What is that size 5?
Yeah, it's that size 5.
I've never played. Sub?
Wala na. Last minute na yan. Last minute na.
How big do you think?
Mamaya, hindi na sila makakapag-sub or less yung minute na nila. So, yun na yung opportunity nila.
Hello, Ian.
Kaya kailangan nyo umi-score para makapaglaro din sila. Hindi lang sa inyo. Okay?
Ian, curl it. Become Neymar, bro. Become Blue Lock. Become Cruz. Oh!
Ay, di tira si Carlos! Carlos! Ayun. Oh, di ba pag ganun? Last day na, last day na.
Successor is a failure.
Last day yan, last day.
We're about to be I don't know. Why are you recycling it? No.
Feeling goal advantage eh. Wide Luis! Wide Luis!
I had a feeling like that.
Luis!
Really hard.
Turn! Use Jared! Use Jared!
Giants outside, coach.
Tyler!
I thought he was being bullied at the pool. Oh yeah. They bullied. Where did you guys go? They bullied me and party. They bullied.
Ah!
Oh my god!
Ayaw talaga.
How?
Ah!
How?
Tara na yan! Ang taas naman nun. Grabe naman yun. Ready? Kalma, Jeno! Kalma, Jeno! Malon, Luis! Malon! Press, Luis, press! Yo, shake on, shake on, shake on!